Hey, what's going on guys? I'm back again with another video. This video is about how to remove ripgrep error. This error came up when I was trying to install a plugin into my Atom text editor, and this plugin is used to track back your code, and this spec supports multiple languages. So now let's jump into the solution. Let's go to the settings of this plugin, and here I have turned on the performance mode. If you're using this plugin, please do that. And here are the shortkeys to access this plugin while you're coding. So when I was working on my project and I just tried to go to the definition of this function, and I got this error. After a lot of research, I just came to know that I just need to install ripgrep. To resolve this error, we have to download ripgrep. I have attached the link in the first comment. You can also download it from other resources if you found any. I'm going to save it into my downloads folder. After the download is complete, we need to move this zip file into C drive, and here I will create a new directory that is named as RG, and I will extract these files into RG directory. After the extraction process is completed, now we need to set this into our environment variables. In the start menu, search for environment variables, and from the menu click environment variables, and into the user variables search for path variable and click edit. Now here we need to add the path to our RG folder. Just copy this path, click new here, and paste your path here and press OK. And now we need to restart our computer. Let's wait until our computer is restarted. After the restart, if I go to the definition of this function, it's giving me some predictions, and after clicking it I can go to the definition. You can also use some shortkeys to directly access the definition of this function. Now let's try with another example. Here it is giving the list of functions into multiple files. I can select any of them. So that's it for now. If you need any help, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you have further queries, please comment below and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Bye bye.